Imagine you're cruising down the highway, feeling the wind, and suddenly the engine just cuts out, like someone pulled the plug while you were trying to see what your car could really do. It is a startling feeling, but your car might just be telling you that you have pushed it way past its intended limits. When your computer stores a powertrain code P0297, it means your vehicle speed sensor has sent a signal to the powertrain control module indicating that your actual speed has exceeded the maximum allowable threshold. For most production vehicles sold in North America, this limit is typically programmed at exactly 100 miles per hour. The moment you hit that specific speed, the powertrain control module is designed to immediately discontinue the fuel injector pulse signal to every single cylinder. This results in an instant loss of momentum and a decrease in speed to bring things back to a safe level. Usually, the vehicle speed sensor is an electromagnetic component that sits right on the transmission housing and monitors a rotating reluctor ring attached to the output shaft. As those notches on the ring spin past the sensor tip, they create rapid circuit interruptions that the computer translates into your current road speed. If you see this code, but you know for a fact you are not driving like a racer, then you are likely dealing with a technical glitch rather than a heavy foot. You should start by using a diagnostic scanner to check for any other transmission or anti-lock brake system codes that might be tagging along. If the code persists after you clear it and drive normally, then it's time to grab your digital volt-ohm meter. You'll want to unplug the sensor and check its internal resistance against the factory specifications. If the sensor itself is healthy, you need to check for a 5-volt reference signal and a solid ground at the connector. A very common issue is a wire shorting to a voltage source, which creates a fake high-speed signal that tricks the computer into cutting your fuel. While a failing powertrain control module is pretty rare, it's not impossible if all your wiring and sensors check out perfectly fine. Just remember that the most frequent cause for this specific code is simply operating the vehicle faster than the engineers intended, so always double-check your driving habits before you start tearing into the transmission wiring.